Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to personalize the from name and email in HubSpot emails. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the marketing tools and email features you'll need for this tutorial. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Marketing. This will expand additional options related to your marketing tools. Now, click on Email to access the email management area where you can view and edit all your email campaigns. Once you're in the email section, you'll see a list of your existing emails. Click on the specific email you want to personalize. This will open up the email editor where you can modify various elements of your message, including the sender details we're about to customize. Now look towards the top of the email editor. You'll notice a section labeled from subject line and preview text. This is where you can control how your email appears to recipients before they even open it. Click on this section to expand it and reveal the personalization options. On the left side of this section, you'll see an option for from name. Click on it and then click Add Personalization Tokens. This feature allows you to dynamically insert contact-specific information, making your emails feel more personal and relevant to each recipient. A new window will appear with customization options. Click the drop-down menu next to Type. For this example, select Contact from the list. This tells HubSpot to pull information related to the contact receiving the email. Next, click the drop-down menu next to Token. For this example, select contact owner's full name. This will automatically insert the name of the contact owner assigned to each recipient. After selecting the token, input a fallback value in case the contact doesn't have an assigned owner. This ensures your email always has a sender name. Once you've entered the fallback value, click Insert to apply it. Now let's move to the From Address field. Click the drop-down menu next to From Address and then click Add Personalization Tokens again. This allows you to personalize the email address just like you did with the name. In the Type drop-down, select Contact once more. Then in the Token drop-down, choose Contact Owner Email. This will dynamically insert the email address of the contact owner for each recipient. Just like before, input a fallback value to ensure there's always a valid email address. Once that's done, click Insert to apply the personalization. And that's it. You've successfully personalized both the from name and email address in your HubSpot emails, making your communications feel more direct and tailored to each contact. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.